What drives a customer to click, buy, or walk away? Customer behavior analytics helps us answer that with data. It's the foundation of smart, strategic business decisions. Every action tells a story, from browsing habits to purchase history. When connected with business intelligence, this data becomes powerful. BI tools turn behavior patterns into visual insights like heat maps and journey flows. In retail, analytics shows which products are abandoned in carts or which promos convert best. In finance, it helps identify churn risks and tailor experiences. To analyze customer behavior, you need the right tools like Tableau and Power BI. These tools help businesses shift from reactive to proactive decision-making, understanding not just what customers did, but why they did it. Customer behavior analytics isn't just about numbers, it's about people. When you truly understand your customers, you don't just sell better, you serve better.